Imagine having 5 different ways to express your soul. Your creative explosion starts now at the Art Institute. In just 2 months, we don't just teach you art, we unlock 5 distinct worlds of expression. 1. Canvas painting. Learn to capture light, shadow, and color. 2nd, texture art. Sculpt your imagination and make art you can feel. 3rd, modern calligraphy, where ink meets elegance in every stroke. 4th, decoupage, the art of transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary. And 5th, the showstopper, resin art. Dive into the mesmerizing, high-gloss world of liquid glass to create pieces that truly sell. 5 skills, 1 comprehensive course. Don't wait, seats are limited. Apply now and start your journey at the Art Institute.